Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Penn National Gaming. Now, we are getting ready to head into football season, and I'm thinking that the gaming industry will have a nice little pop in here. Might be some new things coming out for basically the biggest gambling season, especially on these daily fantasy sport leagues, and especially if once legalized gaming or gaming starts becoming legalized in more states. Then obviously I think these will pop. But basically, more or less, Penn and DraftKings both been heading down. You can see Penn here in this descending wedge, and we just broke out just yesterday. So we had a breakout yesterday of this wedge. You can see the 9-day EMA was being a really heavy sort of resistance for us, kind of weighing down on this stock. We finally broke that. And actually, we broke that and this upper channel or upper trend line of this descending wedge at the same day, right? So that was yesterday. High of yesterday, right around 73.43. You can see we pulled back in here today with a red candle. We're currently trading at 72.06, and you can see we're sitting right on this 9-day EMA. So going forward, that 9-day is going to be our immediate support. Below that, it will be this upper trend line here. So resistance now becomes our support. So now we're looking there. Below that, you can see that we had a little bit of a support right here. That is going to be right around that $66 range. Below that, it will be the lower end of this descending wedge here. Resistance wise, what are we looking at? Well, obviously, first and foremost, it's that high of the day today at that 73.43, or yesterday, 73.43. Above that, we are going to be looking at this 50-day moving average. But we want to see this higher SMA right here. This is your orange line. That's your 200-day SMA. We want to see the divergence between this 200 and the 50. We want to see that start to close. All right. So usually when you get a bullish move in a stock, you're going to get something known as a golden cross, right? So mostly on the daily chart, you're going to be looking at the 50 moving average crossing over the 200-day moving average. All right. And that's going to be considered a golden cross. A death cross is exactly the opposite, where you have the 200 crossing over the 50. And you can see that's what we had right here back on the week of June 14th, right? So there was your death cross there. And as you can see, we just kept on being bearish. And finally, it looks like we might have a little bit of hope here. And we might be doing this running into football season. So we do want to see this 200 and this 50-day moving average start to close the gap in here a little bit. We don't actually need it to cross just yet. Obviously, we want to, but it's going to take a big move to do that. So slowly, we can start pecking away at this big divergence in between these two moving averages here. And overall, we will work our way back up into a bullish trend. But all in all, little breakout in here. We definitely do need to go back up to this 50-day moving average in here. I wouldn't be surprised if we go up and hit it and then just kind of consolidate for a little while and then slowly work our way up. But again, we'll have to wait and see. But a little bit of consolidation here. And definitely we need to hold this upper trend line here of this descending wedge going forward. All right, guys, if you like this, remember to like and subscribe at initiativebrand.com. Daily text ideas, analysis just like this, sent straight to your phone. Be a part of our chat room as well. You get personal access to us as well as our daily blogs, podcasts, all kinds of crazy things available to you for only $8 per week. And you can sign up now for a 7-day free trial. Click the link in the bio. For more, you can see some samples of our blogs that we have up posted for free that everybody can see. But if you want more, you can get access to those by signing up at initiativebrand.com. All right, for Initiative, I am Dustin. I will see you guys later. Thanks, guys.